Step inside the Real Maine Cabin, a true hand-built 1951 log home set on 4 peaceful acres. This isn't a kit or a modern copy. It's the kind of authentic, old-growth log cabin people imagine when they dream about Maine. Solid, quiet, timeless, and filled with character. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath retreat has been thoughtfully refreshed over the last 2 years, blending rustic charm with comfort-focused updates. You'll appreciate the new heating system, the remodeled bathroom, updated rustic furnishings, and the on-demand backup generator that ensures year-round peace of mind. Inside, warm wood tones wrap every room, and a large stone hearth fireplace anchors the living space, the kind of hearth that invites slow mornings, cozy nights, and stories that last for generations. Every corner feels welcoming, relaxed, and genuinely Maine. Step outside and you're surrounded by flat, usable acreage framed by trees, wildlife, and quiet. There's enough space to add yurts or tiny cabins for short-term rentals, create your own hobby farm, or even divide off an additional lot, giving this property rare flexibility. Whether you envision exploring the woods, creating a retreat space, or simply enjoying the stillness, the land is ready for whatever you imagine. Whether you're searching for your own personal escape or a short-term rental that delivers an authentic Maine experience, this property offers both simplicity and substance in one remarkable setting. It's not just a cabin, it's the real Maine Cabin.